The Department of Computer Applications caters to the ever-increasing demand of computer professionals by offering courses of BCA, MSc Computer Science and PGDCA. The department has qualified and experienced faculty members who ensure that relevant technology education is imparted to the students and make them industry ready. Emphasis is given on subjects of relevance such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, business data analytics, data structures, software engineering, computer networking, and information security. It has 4 well-equipped computer labs and smart classrooms for imparting knowledge on computer-oriented subjects such as Python, Java, PHP, etc. It also runs certificate courses in multimedia and animation, web designing, MS Office and Internet, graphic designing, and Android application development. Seminars, workshops, guest lectures, and industrial visits complement the theoretical subjects of the students. Intercollegiate technical exhibitions and fests are organized by the Cyber Club to promote the technical skills of the students. Apart from co-curricular activities, a host of extracurricular and sports activities ensure a vibrant campus where students can sharpen their cultural and interpersonal skills. Initiatives of social outreach and e-waste management programs are taken to mold students into socially responsible citizens. The alumni, who have made a mark by securing top positions at various organizations, are the pride of the department. The young graduates of computer applications get placed in government organizations, banks, and MNCs such as Wipro, HCL, TCS, and Deloitte. The computer-based courses equip them to pursue higher studies such as MBA, MCA, MS in India and abroad. Thus, the Department of Computer Application is continuously striving towards a better world.